Hi quilters, Pam here with exciting news. We are adding 3 new limited edition applique dies to our Go Die collection. First up, the Go Western Medley features a horseshoe, cowboy boot, and a horse, perfect for Western and cowboy-themed quilting projects that are anything but rough and rowdy. For the outdoor adventurer, the Go Camper will bring the beauty of your travels into your quilt designs, combined with the Go Cute Car and Go Northwoods Medley for a fun camping scene. The Go Nautical Medley will certainly make a splash if warm days on the water are more your speed. The anchor, ship's wheel, and sailboat included on this die accent with the Go Sea Life Medley, Go Storm at Sea, or any other beach-themed project you can imagine. These new limited edition dies come in special teal-colored trays, include free embroidery downloads for 3 stitches, and are compatible with all Go fabric cutters and the Studio with the appropriate adapter. Hurry! They will only be around for a short time, so pick yours up before they go away.